TakeProfit Trader versus Topstep. Which one gives you the biggest edge when you transition to live? Let's get into it. All right, guys. Well, here we go. We're still here in the Florida Keys. Let me tell you something. I'm going to be here for a little while. That's right. You saw some weird stuff in the back. Well, my kid hung that there and it's going to stay there because she said it was art. All right. That's it. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going over the differences or like pros and cons list, if you will, of Topstep versus TakeProfit Trader live accounts. Over at Topstep, it's just called Topstep Live. Over at TakeProfit Trader, it's called TakeProfit Trader Pro Plus. And each one has their pros and their cons. Obviously, we're going to be diving head to head into this comparison, and we're going to be talking about the rules, the payouts, the key features, and what fits you best, because either you're going to be chasing flexibility or maybe bigger profits or bigger drawdowns. We're going to go ahead and break it down here so you can choose which route is the best one for you to go to. As we move forward in this video, do me a quick favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And if you want a chance at winning a $50,000 evaluation at a prop firm, then you got to do a couple things here for me. Number one is comment in the comment section below, like the video, and share the video on social media. Tag me if you can, and that right there will automatically enter you into a chance to win one. Also, at some point in this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for an Apex account. I'm going to give a code out, and you know what? We might not be doing these very much longer, so take advantage of it, because we're going to be putting a code out in the video, and that code will give you a free account of any size at Apex. Now you got to be fast. As soon as you hear that code, you got to go try, because chances are that if you're not first and you're last, well, then you didn't get it. So you got to try to get in there real quick, and maybe we'll do another one throughout the video. Who knows? Maybe we'll do two. Anyways, without any further delay, remember to use coupon code all caps JESSEW for the deepest discount available for Bookmap, for TakeProfit Trader, for Apex, for Earn to Trade, for Tradeify, for Buellanox, all right, and Trade Day. All right, guys, so make sure you take advantage of that. Links in the description section and comment section of this video. Let's go. All right, so let's get right into it. And one of the very first things that everybody's always going to be wondering is, how much money do I start off with live? Well, it's two very different things here going on with TakeProfit Trader and Topstep. Their starting balances are completely different from one another, okay? So with Topstep, you're going to take over whatever is your total. So for example, I was in $150,000 XFA, and I took profits along the way, almost blew up the account, had it all the way down to $400 balance, brought it back up from there to $7,000. I mean, honestly, it's one of my best trading feats ever, but thank God for that. I thank him for those skills. And we got it back up there to 7,000, took one, well, started to take one final payout. I was going to take my fifth payout, and boom, they brought me to live after that. And I was able to take one more payout there. Now, what happened? I went ahead and took half, almost or about half of the money I had left. So I only went or transitioned to live with 3,500 bucks. That's what I got sent to live with. Now with Topstep, it was a 150K account, right? Had I had $50,000 in balance, right? And I took $25,000 and put it in my pocket, they would have taken me live with 25,000 bucks. Had I had $175,000, right? I would have taken a payout, they would have taken me live with a $150,000 account or whatever the remaining balance was. In other words, I couldn't be like, oh, I'm just going to take 10K and take me live with 160K. They wouldn't do that. They're going to take you to live. Maximum amount is the XFA balance or XFA balance that you have, basically. So you're never going to have more than your balance that you have or more than your account. So if you have a balance of 200K, but your account is 150K XFA that you have bought, or combine that you have bought, then you're just going to get 150K, which is a crap ton of money. Anyways, so with TakeProfit Trader, it is a little bit different. Let me show you. Here's TakeProfit Trader, and TakeProfit Trader will work in the following way. If you, let's see here, boom, boom, boom. Okay, structure for your Pro Plus account. Once your Pro Plus account is issued, the Pro account will be placed on hold. So your Pro account, your sim funded account will be placed on hold. $5,000 in profit from your Pro account will be frozen and must remain in that account while the Pro Plus is active. The Pro Plus account will begin with a $0 balance and an initial intraday drawdown, equivalent to the starting drawdown of the original Pro account. For example, if your Pro account is $50,000 account, the Pro Plus account would start with a $0 balance with a trailing drawdown of $2,000. So in essence, yeah, you're starting with a $0 balance, but you have, a $2,000 drawdown, but it's intraday. So, and you got to be careful with that. Just monitor it correctly. Look, if I can come back from a $400 balance to a $7,000 profit by trading micros, grows, then, you know, let's use our brain. Let's trade properly. Let's not go insane out the gates. So as the trader becomes profitable, the minimum account balance will trail accordingly. If the trader earns $500 in unrealized profit, the minimum balance would adjust to $1,500 in your trail, stopping once it reaches zero. So once it reaches zero, then bang, it's a static account. You know, you got $4,000 in profit in the account. Now you have $4,000 in drawdown. You got 5,000, you got 5,000 in drawdown. You got 10,000, you got 10,000 in drawdown. As your profit grows, so does your buffer, because it becomes a static account. So Jesse, what happens if I lose my Pro Plus account? What's going on with that Pro account that they froze with $5,000 in profit in it? Well, if the trader loses the Pro Plus account, any remaining profits within the Pro Plus account, along with the trader's share of the frozen $5,000 profit from the Pro accounts, will be eligible for withdrawal. If the Pro Plus account ends with a negative balance, that amount will be deducted from the $5,000 profit held in the Pro account. The remaining balance available for withdrawal, subject to the standard Pro account profit split terms. So let's say, you know, your trail gets you on the live account and your Pro Plus bites you in the butt, you blow up the account, you know, you might be negative $500 on that account now. Well, no big deal. You're never going to owe these firms money out of your own pocket. Always read your contract. But in this case, what will happen is they'll take $500 from that $5,000 in your Pro account, and that'll balance out. Now you have $4,500 in your Pro account. You can take a payout from that, and it'll be your regular 80-20 split with your Pro account. Remember, with the Pro Plus, it's a 90-10 split. So it's awesome, because even though you blew up your live account, your Pro Plus account, you blew it up, you still have profits over at your Pro account that you can put in your pocket and start over. That's not the case with Topstep. With Topstep, if you blew up the live account, hands are washed. Wait a second, alert, alert, alert. It is time for a giveaway. I'm going to give you an Apex Trader Funding Evaluation account completely for free right here, right now. I'm going to give you a code. You're going to have to log into your dashboard and add whatever account size you want to your basket or whatever you want to call it. And then when it asks you for a coupon code, you're going to type this code in. This code will give you a free account. If you use this code and it tells you it's, you know, no good, you can't get it, well, that means people already beat you to it. So the code is going to be NTEYEYA. That's N as in Nancy, T as in Tom, E as in Echo, Y as in yellow, E as in Echo, Y as in yellow, A as in alpha, and Z as in Zulu, all caps. Good luck. If you missed out on that, then you can still use coupon code all caps JESSEW. It's going to get you the deepest discount available at Apex right now. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next tidbit here, because I think it's a pretty damn important one. Let's scroll down here. I just got this email earlier today from TakeProfit Trader regarding their Pro Plus account. Remember, the Pro Plus account is a 90-10 split, so that's always really nice. So what changes when I get a Pro Plus account? What changes? Pro Plus account is a live market account. You're now trading live funds. You get 90% profit split instead of 80, because Pro Plus is 90 for your pocket and Pro is 80 for your pocket. And you also have no more buffer zone. So anything you make, you can take out daily without any restrictions. That's a win right there, because there's no more buffer. You made $500 in profit today. You want to put $100 in your pocket to put some gas in the truck. You can do that. You know, you can. So there's no more buffer zone. You can take out profits every single day. What stays the same? You keep the same industry-leading daily pro payout policy. There's still no funded consistency rule or withdrawal limit. So that's another one. No consistency rule. There are firms out there, believe it or not, that in your live account, they still have a consistency rule. That's completely asinine to me. So no more of that. And then you can continue to copy trade up to 4 Pro Plus accounts. That's freaking great. You can't do that at Topstep. At Topstep, you get 1 live account. That's it. Doesn't matter. You only get 1 live account. With TakeProfit Trader, you can have 5 Pro Plus accounts, 5 live accounts, and you can still keep trading your other tests or even your Pro accounts at the same time you're live. That's not the case at Topstep. At Topstep, once you go live, like I am live right now, I can't go out and trade myself another combine and try to get another XFA. I can't do that. I have to just simply trade my live account until it's, you know, end of life really, or I make $1 million on it. Chances are it's going to have an end of life, because it was a $3,500 account to start with that right now is under $1,000. Whoops. Thought I could trade the minis to start. I should have known better. Now I'm trading the micros. And you can still keep trading those, which is freaking great because most other firms, including Topstep, you can't do that. So you cannot be trading a live account along with, evaluations and sim funded accounts. But at TakeProfit Trader, you can. And that is pretty damn lucrative if you ask me. And with TakeProfit Trader, you can get 30% off right now with $0 activation fee when you transition from your eval to your sim funded, your pro, no activation fee. So that means you can get yourself a $50,000 evaluation, pay $119 for it, pass it, convert it to a pro account, which is your sim funded, get paid daily, and no activation fee, which is great. Coupon code all caps JESSEW. You always want to make sure that when you're trading with TakeProfit Trader or any of these firms, you're using my code all caps JESSEW and click on my link down there in the description and comment section of the video. Don't believe me about Topstep? Well, look right here. No, you cannot trade both an express funded account, XFA, and a live funded account simultaneously on Topstep. Once you have a live funded account, all express funded accounts are closed. You're allowed to have up to 5 active express funded accounts, but these must be closed before you can activate your live funded account, which is whatever it's the case, because let's say you have $2,000 in each, you got a $10,000 total profit. You can transition those $10,000 into your live account with them and close those XFAs. But you can't have, like at TakeProfit Trader, you can't have that one live account plus your pro accounts plus some evals all combined together. You can't have that. You just can't. So over here at Topstep, yeah, I'm live, but I have no XFAs left and I have no evals I can trade. I can't even buy one to trade because I can only trade my live account. Not the case at TakeProfit Trader. That's a win there. So you see some good, you see some bad, right? You see some good at Topstep where you could probably start with a bigger buffer because you can transition a lot of your profits over to your live account. Whereas TakeProfit Trader, you're going to start with your initial drawdown and that's it. But you also with TakeProfit Trader have the $5,000 in reserve that if you blow up that account, you can still get a payout out of that $5,000 in your pro account. That's freaking great. Not the case with Topstep. Topstep, you blow up that live account, you kiss your ass goodbye. And then you have, again, Topstep over here, no XFAs, no evals while trading live. But TakeProfit Trader, you're trading live, you can have evals and you can have your pro accounts as well, which are your sim funded. So, is it really that much worth it to have that extra capital on the account when you go live? Well, yeah, maybe if you have 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000, but then who cares? Because with TakeProfit Trader, if you built up that, you took out a payout, you left $5,000 in reserve, you go live, and if you blow up the live, not only did you put the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000, $100,000 in your pocket before you went live, but you also have $5,000 remaining in the pro account that if you blow up the live, you can still dive into. So man, I don't know what to tell you. I guess it just depends on you and what you want to do with it. Looking at it like this, and I rarely ever give an edge to firms. I always just say, hey, you got to make up your own mind on this, what fits you best. And I still think you got to do what fits you best. I think what fits me best going around next time is just going live with TakeProfit Trader, because I'll have the ability to take out the big chunk of payout, remaining $5,000 buffer that I can dive into if I blow up or when I blow up the live account. It's a no-brainer to me in that case, at least for me. Well, guys, and that's it. In this head-to-head, I have to do something that I rarely ever do, and I'm going to have to give the edge to actually one of the two firms. Maybe if I would have had 3 or 4 firms on this video, I wouldn't give an edge to anybody. But in this case, on a 1v1, I have to give the edge for me to TakeProfit Trader. Oh, just it's because you got a code with them. No, it's because you get that awesome, cool little buffer there, because chances are you're going to blow up the account. And when you do, you can still dive into that buffer on your pro account that has $5,000 frozen and take some of that money, put it in your pocket so that your efforts weren't all in vain. And I love that about it right now. I think that's great. I also love the idea of being able to trade my live accounts and my pro accounts and some evaluations with them, something I cannot do at Topstep right now. So when I couple those two things together versus Topstep's rule of how much money you take to live, well, look, chances are you aren't going to take $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 live. Chances are you're not, unless you get really lucky on a few good trades, maybe on CPI day, YOLO. But if you don't, then you're probably just going to take a few $1,000s to the live account, because you're going to take payouts along the way like I did. I took over $12,000 in payouts, put them in my pocket, and then I had a very small account to start with when I went live with them. So chances are probably going to end up blowing up that account, even though I'm trying really hard not to, by just trading one micro right now to get a little buffer going again. And when I do blow up that account, if I do, that's it. It's all gone. Whereas in TakeProfit Trader, I blow up the account, I can go dive into not only my pro account that has $5,000 frozen, but I also have pro accounts that are being traded, and I have evaluations that are being traded. So I don't have to start from zero like I would if I were to continue to trade at Topstep. So in this case, the winner is clear to me, and it is TakeProfit Trader. That's all I got to say about that. Maybe you can convince me in the comment section below as to why you don't think TakeProfit Trader wins this battle. But so far, I think they're the winner. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. I'd say I'm going to go get some sun, but the weather hasn't been the greatest down here in the Florida Keys this week. So hopefully in the coming days it gets better and we can get out there and do some fishing, and I can post some pictures and videos for you guys. Thank you very much. I'll catch you on another one. Peace.